hold the knife. Okay, jug, 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 jug. Because he's crying. Because somebody, okay. Nah, ate. Sige, okay, go sabay. Hard. Put it hard. Oh, two hands. Ah. Yeah. We're going to cook some what? What is big piece of leg? Pork. We're going to have apretada. Yeah? Eli favorite. Ada. Agang. Wait. It's going to have pork, okay? My son is help. Ay! Mayayay si Mami. Again. Strong, my man. Wow! He's very strong. With a big knife, yes? Another. So, today's video, we're cooking apretada. You see? My big boss is right there. Yeah? He's helping me how to cook, yeah? But he's crying because he want to play another toy with the neighbor. But it's okay. Oh, Eli will be follow. Hug mommy. But you're cooking. You're very good cooking na kuya. Because and then Eli no sweat anymore because you don't wanna borrow with toys, yeah? Next time if you have this toy, you don't borrow it, okay? Okay? You have toy a lot there and then don't borrow it, okay? You have a lot of toy because Dada sent it my toy for you. How to do this one though? Like this? Okay. Okay, strong. Two hands. That's my mommy. That's mommy. Quiet na ka mag-cook, mami ni Dodong. Wow! Again. Oh, God. Ay, wait. Strong. You want to eat this one? Yeah? And then we're waiting for Scoobiter is cooking. Is scrubbing this one with the Scoobiter. The Scoobiter scoop this one is Scoobiter. With the potato. Alright. We have some potato. And Eli ready to cut. Bang. Sige. Bang. Aga. Bang. Strong little man. Yes, guys. My man is very stronger. Stronger and stronger. It's very fast to cut the... You see? You see the knife, guys? Oh. That is Eli. When Eli crying, he's going to cook. Oh. Nice. What's going on? But be careful. Be careful. Be careful, guys. So we're going to use this oil. Fiesta vegetable oil, and we're going to chop this one. Big piece. You see, big piece of meat. Leg. It's called leg. Pork. Oh, yummy. Like, wow, we're going to eat this one. And what about this one? And this one. Onion and garlic. We're going to cut with Eli. Be careful, Eli, okay? Be very careful, Eli, okay? And we're going to throw this one. Throw it. Throw it. And we're going to put the vegetable there. Okay, Eli, you put vegetable, Eli, okay? Okay, put it there. Yes. When your baby is crying, you only need to enjoy them to help for cooking. One more. Because it's still a lot. Yes. You can put it there and you can wash and then you can cook. Yes. Welcome our very crying baby. Oh, big man is crying. Very good. Okay, you will be cooking. Yes. Yeah.
Good.
You will be cooking.
Mm.
Yummy.
Oh.
Init Iloy. Yeah? Finish? Okay. I still have oil. Get that down. Finish? And then, what's the excavator do it? What happened to excavator? No more? And what happened to excavators in the mountain? And then, what happened to excavator? Cutting the grass, scooping the dirt. Yes? And who is the driver? Who is the driver? Who is the driver? Eli? Why? You don't want to drive? Why? Because what? Are you tired? Then who's gonna driving? Alishing?
Yellow Sarah's bus?
Yeah? Sarah's bus, Eli? You only want to drive Sarah's bus? Yeah? You don't want a skirt? No skirt with Sarah's bus? And then, why? And then you're cooking big piece of meat? Big bite, you want to eat? Okay, big mouth, Because you like cooking.
Because Sarah's bus
is very good. Okay, we can start cooking. Okay, Eli? Just carefully, okay?
Sarah's bus rule is give away or die. Sarah's bus give away or die.
Exactly.
Give away or die.
Give way or you will die. Be careful, you will be yay, okay? Oh my god. I will be cooking in the jungle. La 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 la.
May butang na dito.
Yes. Put it in the fan. You can put it in the pan line. Okay? Okay? So Eli is going to put the oil. This is Eli, huh? Oil cutting the no, do sa pan mo na i-put dong. There, in the so are na ding. And then he's going to put the oil. He's going to put the oil in the pan. Be careful, huh? Just wait, huh? He's going to yeah, it's very smooth. We're going to put the oil. This is we go. Here we go. And then Eli gonna put the onion. Put the onion like not there. It's in the front here. Here ba? Yeah. You can put it here, Eli. Because I'm gonna cook this one. I'm gonna cook this. My new. Ay, napa siya fries. Oh, they never clean yet. So I need to wash this one first. And I will use another luwag. There we go. We're gonna kill this Lego. We can put it here, Eli. Put it here. Alright, my little boy. We're going to a very yummy lunch. Lunch. We're going to no more diet. No more. We don't need to be diet because we're cooking very yummy food. Okay. My cooking. So we need to cook some garlic. More. Put it all. Put it all. And mix until brown. And we're going to my God, you see the truck now? Have some truck there now. Wow! We're going to watch the truck. It's there, coming. Yeah, we're looking because he's coming. Okay, he's coming the truck, and then I need to cook. Yes, what's happening? It's brown. It's killing me. Okay, I'm a little boy. He's still very sad. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Go. You want to watch mommy? And we're going to cut this meat. We're going to cut this big meat. Yes, we're going to cut the meat. We're going to cut this like this. It's very yummy. We're going to cut. The meat. It's very fresh meat because this is our pig. This is our animal, and then we kill it and then cook it. Guys, we're going to make an afritada for lunchtime because yesterday we're only going to eat outside. We're going to have some inasal, fries. It's very hard. What you gonna do? It's very hard, Eli. Wow, it's all meat. Yes, it's all meat. It's hard. It's hard, really hard. It's really hard. Yes.
Paano ka nagtubig?
Later, we put water. Very hard, my darling. When you hard charge and then be careful, huh? You will just fall down.
How naman ni?
What?
How?
Somebody kill?
Naman dito. Nag-ihaw naman.
Oh my God, it's very hard. My God, how can we cook that? Help me. Yes, it's right there. Oh, be careful. What you did, Eli? Cooking this one, lunch and dinner. It will be all together because, you know, I can only cook once a day. I don't want to cook every day.
Di ko alam yung mani.
Masaman ka. Be careful. careful, Eloy. You beat me. Hmm?
Ano ko ang magiging laguni?
This is very yummy. No. We have a lot of fish in the fish, but... Ay, nasangad ka! Stop touching dong! Kay dirty! Stop touching! Stop touching, baka naigo ka rin kutsilyo. Nice! Stand up, right? Stop touching. I told you stop touching kay makat na imong ni finger ani oh. Isa makaati dili sa mukha natin. Why? Pwede na pagkaon na sa mga kami duga pa man ni malas ko obvious. I'm waiting this one.
Nagluto ang kami ni Aki.
Ay! Nahayay, gina ma-blood gina ron. Together cooking na imong hands from with mommy. You want it?
Magbagaan dila.
Guys, you don't have a lot of what we call this fat. The oil is like it's na eh. Look. Unod. What did you?
Sigunod dia day. Unod dia ako.
What is that?
Pig.
Skin for pig? Very.
Nagihaw naman na. Dead naman na.
The dead?
Yes.
Who killed the pig? Who
Silang
killed?
duha.
What?
Silang duha.
What? What? Who
With
killed?
another neighbor.
Killing the another neighbor?
Yes. Another neighbor city.
And then? He killed it?
Yes.
With knife?
Yes.
And very sharp knife? Huh? And then what happened to pig?
Crying.
Huh?
Crying.
You saw it?
Yes.
Really? And then you? What? You crying also? Oh my God. I don't know how to do this one. It's very hard.
I don't do this.
It's enough.
May pala niyan. Itang.
Yes. And then we're going to put the meat, wash it, and put. Tanang, ready. And we're ready for cooking. Wala gikaon ni kuan alis. Nagiingon nga. Kambalos. We put the meat. Cooking the meat. We need to cook this one because they already very long time in the fridge. So that is still good. It's still okay. There we go. Okay. Pull down ka dong.
Gaso na ni. Gaso.
Finish na. Finish na. Finish. Ay, lahat na. Ay, napukul ba saan? Unat na. Mag-wash your hands na. Ay, wash your hands. Wash your hands with soap because it smells bad and then you can eat your chocolate. Yeah?
Together after the mom.
Yes. much. Mommy love you so much. Mommy love you so much. Like monster. Okay. At ulit na dili at dili. Okay guys, we started to be cooking. It's very yummy. Ay, matambog ka.
Ganito ya kanina. Nagluto.
My son is watching me, but to be gooder because it will. I'm going to get my gloves. Hari dulu, hari dulu. Tunggu lama kan? Oh, sekarang right guys. We need to make it brownish. Good. And we're going to put something magic.
Nagahin ang kaulin mo.
Andyan. Yan. Yan ang mga recipe namin. Pang magikan. Pang pasarap. And then, we're going to put some salt. To make it yummy. Then, we're going to put some black pepper. And then, what is? Yes. We're going to have some apretada, pork apretada. It looks very yummy, huh? I will cook very, I'm cooking very big portion because you can put it in the fridge and then yum. I'm going to relax here. My son is there. Be careful, Ila. You will be dirty. You will be falling down, Ila. My son. What? What do you want? You big man. You very big man. Big man. Hala, okay. And then Ella, we're going to drink this one. Ay! I have some, what you call it? Wow, vitamins for him. Come on, Eli. Come here. Like bubble. Ay, nako. Come here, Eli. Come here. Okay, guys. I'm going to close. Bye for now because Eli,